An event took place to raise public interest and encourage public interaction in the parts and materials industry. It also offered a chance to forge partnerships between advanced countries. Olivia Hur went to the Parts and Materials Future Vision 2020, an event that marked the 10-year anniversary of the enactment of the special legislation for parts and materials. Let's check it out.
This device, which seems ultra-sharp, simply at first glance is constantly shooting a laser beam on the touchscreen panel. Despite the repeated cracking and swiping at the surface, the screen retains its glistening sheen. This is a device that evaluates the lifespan of a touchscreen panel.
Reliability is a trait of an object that can be used for a long period of time under certain circumstances without fail. Our goal is to conduct an evaluation of a product's reliability so that consumers can use products that do not break down easily.
The Rolling Ball Museum, established by the Korea Institute of Industrial Technology, is a symbol of reliability. A moving robot that provides explanations and informative signs help viewers understand this reliability technology. This elastic support observes a different level of shock, even under the same intensity of a tremor. This is a model that applied this tremor reduction system to bridges and buildings. The object on display on the right is made by the Korea Testing and Research Institute and can observe much stronger levels of tremors than the ordinary bridges on display to the left. By using this system, it is possible to reduce external shock and improve the safety of buildings, thus preventing further damage. A variety of products that made use of parts, materials, and devices that test reliability of parts and materials were displayed at the COEX in Seoul from November 1st for a 2-day run.
We have been contacted by Kotra in Switzerland, and the goal is, I have a new project, the goal is to find a qualified supplier for our needs. So we have meeting, we talk about this project, and we're looking for 2 or 3 different suppliers.
The exhibition brought together 71 companies from 10 countries and 350 big, medium, and small-sized firms in the domestic parts and materials industry, offering opportunities to look at the past, present, and future of the global parts and materials industry at a glance.
The Parts and Materials Future Vision 2020 exhibition will serve as a compass for government policy and investments in the related fields. Along with the revised legislation on parts and materials that took effect on October 28th, it will play a role in the domestic parts and materials industry policies for the next decade.
The latest event not only showed the significance of the parts and materials industry, but also offered a chance to exchange information among related firms.